Welcome to another tasting experience with Key Encounters. Let's talk about it. The item that we have here, whoops, uh, is going to be a non-alcoholic item. This is by Ocean Spray, and it's their Cran-Watermelon in a little vial. All right. It was something new on the market, and I thought I'd try it. Now, the question is, will it be a combination of watermelon and cranberry, or, hold on, or is it going to be kind of like blase? That's my question. I'm thinking the cranberry is going to overtake it, to be honest with you. I really do. So let's find out. Way more watermelon, surprisingly. Watermelon juice, tartness on the rind, then cranberry. Pretty solid. Wow, really refreshing. Way more watermelon than anything. Honestly, I'm not detecting, if I were to think like the masses, there's no cranberry there. It's strictly watermelon with a touch of a little sweetness to it. I feel, and I'm gonna equate it to the tartness of the cranberries. The watermelon feels as if it has seeds, right? And the body of an entire watermelon, from flesh to rind, there's that tartness, right? If you've ever eaten watermelon on the rind, you eat it all the way down, so you get to the white part, then you scrape it a little bit, because there's a little bit of some of that red flesh going on, and you get the tart. That's what's going on here. I hate to say this, but I don't detect cranberry, because that cranberry is a replacement for the rind that the watermelon that they're putting out is very natural. So, great combination. Absolutely. Will you expect cranberry at all? No, because you're going to get watermelon as a whole, even down to the rind. And everyone knows when she gets down to the rind, it's a little bitter, a little tart. Cranberry will play a big factor in that. So, do I recommend this? Absolutely. It is mind blowing how detailed in a watermelon flavor that you're going to get natural, that cranberries have an epic like part in. And with that said, cheers.